Eric Towers from Towers Arms. This is week 7 of FTT 122. This week we're going to talk about disassembling the dummy cartridges we received. And I chose the 38 Special due to its simplicity, straight wall, large rim. The 5.56 proved to be pretty stubborn. I broke my desk trying to remove it. So we're going to try with the smaller cartridge, the straight wall, less of a crimp on it. Alright everybody, this is part 1 of disassembling the dummy cartridge. This is the 38 Special. I'm going to use the smallest collet. Slide that on nice and tight. Put it in the back of the bullet puller. Snug it down. And hopefully try not to break my desk. Bullshit. Finally, after some hard freaking hits and breaking my desk, still got that bullet out. Alright, take this apart. If it was a live cartridge, there'd be a primer there. And we'd have some powder, but since there's not, it's just the bullet. So let's disassemble this down. We have our shell casing. We have our shell. There's no primer inside the primer pocket. There's obviously no powder inside. And this is our bullet, flat nose. It looks like a flat nose, 38 Special. So if it was a live cartridge, we would keep the powder and the bullet and we would pour it into a small hopper. We'd pour it in and we'd be able to get our measurements off of it. And if it was a live round, we'd use an actual de-primer to push out the primer out of the primer pocket. All right, for part 2, we're gonna do some measurements. Let's get caliper turned on. Get overall length of the case. Looks like a 1.15 with a case diameter 0.37. Case rim is at 0.43. Does not seem to be necked down at all. It's a straight wall cartridge. Gets measurements of the bullet. 0.35 by 0.53 long. Looks like we have a slight crimp in the middle. Let's see if that has a different reading. 0.34 right at that crimp mark. 3435. 2, we're going to actually be drawing a diagram of the dimensions of the 38 Special that we just disassembled. So it's a straight wall case, so there's no change in the head size. So our measurements here, from here to here, were 0.37 inches. Our overall length from here to here, overall length was actually 1.15 inches. And then our rim thickness here, our rim width, our rim is 0.43 inches. And I was able to get a rim measurement of 0.05 inches thick. And then with our projectile, it's a flat nose, so it kind of goes at an angle kind of like this. And there's almost like a crimp line. There's a crimp line there. And the projectile length, total length from front to rear was 0.53 inches. And our diameter from here to here was 0.35 inches. for part 4, we're going to get the projectile's weight. I've already zeroed this out and scaled it with 100 gram to make sure it was true. So we're zeroed out right now, 0 grains. You take the projectile, gently put it on. We have 125.1 grains is the projectile. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Eric Towers with Towers Arms, week 7 of FTT 122, Intro to Ballistics. Thanks for watching.